What is up, guys? It's a Sunday afternoon. I'm just kind of in the shop alone for a minute, and I think I'm gonna start just taking little bits and pieces off of the Miata. Just have a chill day and just start taking off little intricate things like the brake lines. Majority of the things that need to get taken off before I start doing paint. So enjoy this therapeutic session. Here, I'm glad I'm going through this very thoroughly. We do not want spiders in here. Nope. So here's a different day, I think like 2 days after, and so my friend Lawson came over and we started to just kind of like work on the engine bay since it was like 101 degrees outside, so Bro, how long is this song?
Too long.
Honestly, after looking at this engine block and kind of testing out the board, not really any bad scoring, nothing really crazy. I think once I set the machine shop, I'll kind of figure out the route I really want to go. But I honestly can't be more happy with this block so far. So let's just keep rolling with it. And if anything else fails, we'll figure it out. Later.